Welcome back to the Panga build. Don't forget to sub so you can watch the entire series. Good evening. Let's build a transom and some more frames. Full-size 2x6 is involved here. I'm going to use a Sharpie to make my lines this time in an effort to use the same paper without having to replace it and not get confused at the same time. And there's the outline of our transom. If I didn't mention it before, this is a drywall square. Incredibly handy. Makes this so much easier. Almost screwed up again, see? That 2x6 is supposed to fit inside of the frame, 2x3s. So we're gonna put this aside a minute. That will do. So now we're making all these butt joints. The frames we've made so far, these are lap joints. You see how one laps over the other, right? One board laps over the other. Kind of like your belly done lapped over your belt, right? Butt joints are when two pieces of wood butt up against one another. And there's all sorts of ways to do that. But we're just gonna use glue, put a screw in it to kind of hold it with a little pocket jig. Then it's gonna get plywood over the back side of it. And the whole thing's going to be wrapped in fiberglass, so there's basically zero chance of this thing coming apart. Not that great, not that great. That's just not good at all. I think that'll work. And this is the best way I've figured I can do this. Don't you love it when you're working on a project and you hear gunfire in the neighborhood? Isn't that nice? Yeah, it looks pretty good though. That's really not bad. I mean, it's not great, but it's not bad. I'm gonna join these corners and then I'm gonna cut the 2x6 for the top and the center 2x6. That way I'll have a solid frame of reference. Get it? Frame it. Sorry, I did it again. Solid frame of reference for the two remaining boards without anything sliding around and moving. Is it the best plan? Probably not, but that's what I'm gonna try to do. All right, so I'm going to put single pocket screws here, here, and here. Now, if that doesn't look like a good plan to y'all, it'll be too late by the time you see this. Now, let's just hope this works. Now, these pockets are all going to be filled with epoxy. They won't be open to the weather at all. Not too much glue because I'm not trying to make a whole lot of mess, you know? Squash it right there. Pretty good. Mr. Spira, and his name is Spira, by the way, not Spira, like I mentioned in the first video. Sorry about that, Mr. Spira. His recommendation is that they just need to be clamped together until the glue sets up, if I recall. Either do it my way or you don't. Probably best not to, honestly. I mean, if you want to be successful in life, don't do things the way I do them. It's probably not good. It's not too bad, right? You still kind of see the line there. Yeah, not too bad, not too bad. We'll get it worked out even better. Double check the drawings, double check your work. Left a little line on there, but just kind of freehanding that angle. Looks like I got it right. You know what I'm saying? Eyeball it. Come together right now. All right, now we're gonna make a center line. I'm saying let's make the center line in the center. 5.5, so 2 3/4, right? Stop me now. I'll make a mark. If my mark's wrong, it's on you. Wow, that's a pretty good fit. Since this board fits so tightly, I'm just going to glue it. I'm not going to screw it in there. See, I've got the 2x under here supporting it. so that there's an absolutely flat surface for everything to bear on and join up. Well, that's pretty good. So we have 3 frames in the transom, and now we got to build 4 more frames, and we'll be done with that part. Then we can get all this crap out of here. We can build our strong back, set our frames, and you'll see the boat start to come together. Got a feeling that all these interior measurements are going to be the same. Quadruple check, quintuple check. I kind of like this though, it's helping me understand the lines of the boat a little better. I'm going to use this T-square to make a bend, right? So this is going to go right. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to put one hand here, all right, and pinch it right, flush with the edge right here, but hold it to the top, right? Right there in the middle, all right? And then hold your other hand in the back and do the same thing to that corner back there. You got it?
Take that rounded edge off?
Yeah, but look. Nah, just leave it, yeah, tight to it, just like that. All right, that's how I want it.
All right.
If you can, slide your hand down this way a little bit so I can make a good mark. All right, you see how I'm bending this piece of metal over to my measurement, right?
Yeah.
And this is the line. Right here. All right, good enough. This one up here is going to be different, so we got to go the opposite way. This one's only 3/4 of an inch instead of 1 1/8, right? So it's going to be a different radius to the curve. Right. Hold what you got. Don't move. No, don't move. No, no. All right, good. This is my angle.
You got to triple check it.
Yeah. Quadruple, triple. That's the angle it's supposed to be on, and that's the shape of our piece. Here, and then cut that off, and then we're going to leave it uncut at the top.
Doesn't sound good at all.
All right, we have 27 power tools plugged in. It's 31 degrees outside. Because I'm fat like a baby seal, a guy like me, I can slide out on the ice butt naked and lay there for 2 hours before I start to get cold. What is he talking about? Something's wrong with that guy. Fat like a baby seal. It up. All right, that's that. That's pretty good, right? That'll work. Seven. Ah, that's not why I built a tent. I didn't build a tent so that I could... Oh, that's not good at all. You see? That's not keeping the water out. Oh, it went down my sleeve. That sucks. The glue makes everything so slippery. Last 2 screws of the last frame of the boat, so all that's done.